Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see all comments you have ever made on YouTube on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to see all of the comments or you have made on YouTube without any problem, then what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have simply go to settings here. And here what you have to do, you have simply go to general and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after what you have to do, you have simply go back and this time you have to open the App Store here. And here you have to simply look for the YouTube and you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have simply open the YouTube app and update it. And after updating the YouTube app, you have to simply click on this setting here. And after that, you have to simply click on manage all history. And here you will find all of the history on your Google account. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on interactions. And after that, you can simply see comments and replies. So here what you have to do, you have to simply see all of the comments you have ever made. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now, if you want to see all of the comments and the list is not more, so you have to simply click on view other activity. And after that, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of YouTube comments. And you will, here you can simply see that view comments on YouTube. So here, you will be shown all of your comments you have ever made. Now, if you want to see all of the list, so you can simply scroll it down and you will find all of the comments. So in this way, you can simply see that. So hope you have liked this video and get more videos like this. You can subscribe our channel.